It's like you don't really wanna know. Hey, you laughed me in the face when I said you could replace all of the things that you're so through with. You're afraid to feel your feelings when the night turns into day, but sometimes they're the realest things to ever come your way. 'Cause you know that you're more than just one voice. You can roll with all the boys through the noise, state your case and lead the way. 'Cause you know that you're not just a one shy girl. You can have the universe, change the world. Start by smiling at the mirror. That you're more than just one voice. You can roll with all the boys through the noise, state your case and lead the way. 'Cause you know that you're not just a one shy girl. You can have the universe, change the world. Start by smiling at the mirror. That you're more than just one voice. You can roll with all the boys through the noise, state your case and lead the way.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm super blessed. Happy New Year. I'm presenting you today a very beautiful model home for sale here at American West Jones Crossing. They have 4 available model homes for sale. Check out the screen. This is the 2-story home that we'll be presenting today. Everything you will see inside is included in the price, including the washer, dryer, refrigerator, finished backyard furniture, equipment, art, and also there are incentives to buy down your rate. Definitely, it's amazing to see, guys, worth your time. Contact me on the screen, 725-287-5242. If you wanted me to start negotiating for you, a lot of people are coming back to the market because of the expected reduction in interest rates this year. So definitely, the earlier the better if you search for your beautiful home here in Las Vegas. In fact, guys, this location is definitely near the shops, the newer shops at Jones Crossing. You can literally walk there, have a drink or coffee, or eat your lunch or dinner. Definitely within walking distance. And you are also within few minutes drive to the newest luxurious Southwest casino called the Durango Hotel and Resort Casino. Definitely amazing casino for you to enjoy here in Southwest Las Vegas. Okay, I cannot wait. This is a model home for sale. Everything you will see here, guys, is included. That means you just have to bring your toothbrush and toothpaste and you're ready to live a beautiful life here in Las Vegas. Contact me on the screen, 725-287-5242. You'll never know. You might be neighbors if you buy 4 model homes with your brothers, sisters, neighbors, and even your enemies. Okay, thank you so much, and let's begin the tour.
Hi there. Before we begin the tour, let me guide you on how to reach Jones Crossing community from the Bellagio Fountain. These are the amenities available at Jones Crossing. Schools: Beverly Mathis Elementary School, Canarelli Middle School, Challenger School, Desert Hills, Legacy Traditional School, Southwest Las Vegas. Grocery stores: Albertsons, Sprouts Farmers Market, Smith's, Health and Fitness, EOS Fitness, Fit Club, Raw Fitness Las Vegas Southwest. Hospitals: Southern Hills Hospital and Medical Center, Spring Valley Hospital Medical Center, Dignity Health St. Rose Dominican Hospital, San Martin Campus. Pet Care, Adventure Pet Resort, Aloha Animal Hospital, Haven Animal Hospital. Before we begin the tour, let me show you the home's standard floor plan.
Alright, so this one is another model home for sale, guys. So this one will have a paver here, right, going here. And then you have a stonework here. Alright, we're gonna enter this home. You have a porch area there, right? A porch area. You have a beautiful door. Look at this beautiful door. Okay, so this is going to be fast. Before we go to the main area, let's probably go first to the upper floor so that okay, so because there are people downstairs, so I want to make sure they are protected with their privacy. Welcome to your second floor. You have a little bit of a landing here. This is your primary bedroom. All things you see here, guys, is for sale. Look at this. You have a king size bed. You have a lot of natural light inside for transparency. These are your neighbors. And then you have a backyard there. This is your primary bathroom. Hello, guys. All right, so definitely this is your, you know, it's hard to tell if this is a quartz or a granite, where you have a bathtub with glass there. This is your area for your water toilet, water closet. You have double sink. This looks like a granite to me. Hello, guys. You're getting two vanity lights, a really huge medicine cabinet, and then you have a walk-in closet. Right, you have a walk-in closet here. Right, we're back here. Double doors. You are getting speakers. These are already here. Okay, this is the secondary bedrooms, bathrooms, double sink. Hello, guys. And then this one is consistently having that kind of a surround tub. Okay. The tile looks upgraded to me. Even the carpet is upgraded, but it just needs a lot of cleaning for it to bring it back to its original pristine. Okay, you have a baby room, so they customize it. Everything you see here, guys, will be included. It's a model home for sale. There is a walk-in closet here, right? The design will be here. Okay, see how it's cute. It's readying for you to have a baby, or if you have a grandkid or whatever you have in life, guys. Or if you don't have one, definitely you can change it. Now this is interesting because there is an area here, like a separate storage or maybe like a prayer room, right? It's a very small room, but they put it as if you have something going on there that you can sit on. And then you have a secondary bedroom here, right? If you have two kids, definitely it's already done. They just need to bring their toothbrush and toothpaste. There is also a cabinet here. Hello, guys. So everything here, guys, even that chair is already included in the price. You have a walk-in closet. Okay. And then you have another bedroom here. This one is much bigger, but they put it as if it's a showroom. Okay, so definitely it's kind of like a living room area slash bedroom, because this one has its own closet, right? It has its own closet here, guys. This is the closet area. Okay, so definitely something bigger than the rest of the secondary bedrooms. And then you have a linen closet here. Okay, so definitely A lot of bedrooms on the second floor, right? Total of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you don't need that bedroom, as they staged it, you can have it as a second TV area. Okay, let's see the first floor area. So we can check how your kitchen looks like. Hello. Hi. So this one is your living room, kitchen, and dining area. Very, very open, guys. Now, before I forget, there is a half bathroom here. Hello, guys. So you have a half bathroom here, and then you have there's a little bit of a art there. So everything you see here, guys, is included. The furniture, arts, right? This is a very interesting layout of the kitchen. See how the island is uniquely shaped. And you have those panel lighting. The cabinet is all the way up to the top. Okay, and then you're getting this, guys, because it's already here, right? You have a refrigerator. Awesome. And then you have a pantry area there. Another storage space. So you have double pantry. And this is what is unique to them. This angular shape of the window. And then you have underneath cabinet lighting, double sink. You're gonna get a Whirlpool dishwasher, stove and oven combo, Whirlpool, right? And then this is definitely vented. They have like top shelf there that was upgraded. By the way, guys, the tiles are also upgraded.
That divider right there.
And then this one is an extra space. You can store your items there. Ooh, you're getting a washer and dryer. This is a Whirlpool, guys. Duet steam. Never have been used because this is a model home before. Now this is different. You have a glass door leading to your 2-car garage, which is already finished with an epoxy. Right? It brings so much natural light inside that those windows there on the garage. So definitely something to think about when you're upgrading your garage door. You have lighting there. So definitely you have washer, you have a tankless water heater.
Oh, it's tankless.
Yep, tankless water heater. And you're getting a rainbird there. Okay, so far so good. So we're gonna get to your backyard. They usually close this. So this is your backyard, guys. It's already done. You don't have to do anything else. Just bring your toothbrush and toothpaste. All right.
Okay, you have half bath right here.
We can't just go out because they close it. And even the curtains is already here. So it's already designed for you. You don't have to worry about anything else. Okay. Really nice retaining wall there. This is how it looks like when you're at the corner of your dining area. Okay, everything is here. You don't have to worry about anything. The furniture, appliances are complete. They're ready to go and live a beautiful life here in the fabulous Las Vegas. Comment down below, guys, what do you think of this home? Contact me at 725-287-5242 if you wanted to get started in an offer or negotiation of this home, model home for sale. Thank you so much and have an amazing day today.